Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to our channel. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to press subscribe and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as we get a new video uploaded. Let's get on with the video today. We're going to be working with TP-LINK TL-WR840N. It's a wireless router, but you can use this device as a repeater as well. Let me explain you what a repeater is. If you have quite a good size of a place, you don't want to run a lot of cables throughout the house, so you can use the repeater facility to extend your Wi-Fi network, meaning you have two routers in your house. One is providing the Wi-Fi and the other one is actually receiving it and extending your Wi-Fi range. So you will be able to extend your Wi-Fi range throughout your whole house instead of running a bunch of cables. So you will not have a lot of clutter of cables throughout your whole house and messing up with all your stuff and everything. So I don't live in North America, so the houses that we have is basically made out of concrete, so it's really hard for us to actually run the cables. So this is the best option that I have as of right now. So let's get on with it. First I will show you how to set up. All you have to do is open your browser. The default IP address for the router is 192.168.0.1. As you can see that I don't have any internet, it's showing exclamation mark. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and type in the IP address. Once again, it's 192.168.0.1. It's a default IP address. The user and password is admin, and the password is also admin. You have to press and log in. I'm not going to be saving the password. As soon as, if you have a new device, it will just come up with this page, or if not, if you're using a used device, you can just simply click on quick setup and press next. The option that it shows, as I tell you, it's a wireless router as well. So it says wireless router if you're setting up as a router. The video before that we have, I will have that in the link as well. It's not with TP-Link, but pretty much the same thing. Then there's an option for access point. If you want to use the cable to extend your Wi-Fi, you can use access point. That'll be a different video as well. I'll be showing that as well, but today I'm working with range extender. So basically, as I mentioned before, range extender, it extends your Wi-Fi range. So you're going to click on that and press next. What it's going to do, it's going to search for all the Wi-Fis that are available in my area. I mean, whatever the range that I'm getting, it's going to give me a list of that. So it will show that. Basically, the one I'm using is Z Home. So I'm going to just press on connect, try to connect to my Wi-Fi. As soon as I go over there, it's going to say, it's going to show the name that I will be connected to. That's my SSID that I'm using in my house. So I'm going to go and double check if it says here home. The option that I'm going to be use is WPA. It's default. Just go with that. I have a better option with the WPA2. So I mean, it's up to you. Whatever you want to use, doesn't matter. Don't use the hexagon one. This option, you can use either one of them. It's just depending on what your other Wi-Fi is set up. Mine is set up on AES, so I'm going to click that and see, I'm going to put the password that belongs to Z Home. So I'm going to type in that password, whatever my password is for the Z Home. Mine is Danish1981. So I'm just going to type in that password, Danish1981. Okay, and afterwards, as you can see, if I want, I can just extend this Wi-Fi as Z Home. You know, I mean, it could be if I'm in the living room and I go to my bedroom, I don't have to switch between the Wi-Fi. It would just switch over to Z Home. But just for this video, I'm going to show at Z Home EXT. I'm just going to delete that, and I'm just going to write, let's say, bedroom, because that's in my bedroom. And that's it. Then we're going to go down and see, as you can see, I don't have any internet. I'm connected with the cable right now. I'm trying to set up this device. You have to, you can connect with Wi-Fi as well and do that, but I don't recommend you that. Just connect it with the cable. Anyways, press next. In that, we're gonna just leave the smart DHCP so we can get the IP address from my other device. DHCP enable, DHCP server, I'm sorry, and click next. Once you click next, the process is done. I'm just gonna go click next afterwards. Just double check everything. It's gonna be a range extender. It's using wireless channel number 2. That's the channel that my other device is set up. It's default. I haven't done anything with it, so don't worry about it. The new name SSID will be Z Home Bedroom, and just gonna scroll down. Press just check over there is everything is fine, gateway and everything, lands DHCP, and all you have to do afterwards is just press the finish button, and it will take a couple of seconds to reboot. I'm gonna just run that in real time so you know how long it takes, so just bear with me. It approximately takes a couple of seconds. As you can see, I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. I just disconnected my LAN cable so I can connect on Wi-Fi. Go back on my Wi-Fi. Just let's wait for it. It after 40% it kind of jumps up and does it really fast. So let's see, 42, 48, 45, and almost done. Just bear with me. I just want to do that in real time so you know how long it takes, because some people say, as you can see, just speed it up real quick. Anyways, so this page will open as I'm connected to via cable for right now for this setting purposes. It just took me to this page. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just double check everything, that it's trying to connect or not. If you can go down and press refresh as well. But everything seems to be okay. Just double check that. The MAC address, IP address. Of course, I'm not connecting the WAN port. It's a range extender, so it doesn't show any WAN over there. It just shows my IP address. The reason I'm explaining that, so you know what exactly is going on. And everything looks nice. Let's press the refresh button and see if it changes anything, just for the test purposes. So what I'm gonna do, see, as you can see, as soon as I press refresh, it connected me Z Home, because as I said, I'm connected to cable right now. So let's do one thing. As you can see, because I'm on a laptop, I can see the cable and the Wi-Fi and everything. It says over there Z Home and Z Home Bedroom. So Z Home and Z Home Bedroom, as you can see, I'm going to connect to the Z Home Bedroom. The password is the same password that you have for your Z Home. It doesn't change. Click next. In the beginning, it sometimes take a couple of seconds because it's trying to get all the data from the Z Home. It mostly happens the first time. Here we go. We are connected to Z Home Bedroom. Let's go to the web page, the browser, I'm sorry, and see if everything works. YouTube is working. Oh, I'm sorry, I just set up this Google account, so let me just clear all that. Agree. And as you can see, it's working. Let's go back to the Chrome again and type in YouTube, and here we go. It works. So working just fine. Let's do a little speed test. The speed that I'm using right now, it's 10 up and 10 down. So let's see what kind of, if it makes any difference if I use a range extender. Do I lose any speed or not? So let's see if I'm losing anything. It's taking a little while for some apparent reason, but let's see how the speed goes. And so it turned on, jumped up to 20, 15. It should stable at 10 because I have a connection of 10 megabyte up and 10 megabits down, so it seems pretty good. It's giving me a little bit over 10. That's fine. That was the download. The pings are a little more. We're having some issues lately because of the whole scenario that we have. So the down is 10 as well. That seems pretty good. It's pretty stable, and as you can see, it's just fine. So now your range extender has been set, so you don't have to actually use a bunch of cable to extend your Wi-Fi. If you like the video, please do press like. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified with the videos that we upload.